Hello, and welcome to an e-demo looking at the procedure for licensing a VideoEdge. The first step then in licensing our VideoEdge is logging into the VideoEdge administration interface. And you can do this either on the VideoEdge itself or using a web browser on a connected PC, which is what I'm doing. I'm just going to go ahead and sign in as an administrator then. And once we've signed in, if your VideoEdge is currently using a temporary license, which this one is, you'll be presented with a page that looks like this. It's a licensing page in the background with a pop-up message advising you are still using your trial version of the product and the amount of time that is remaining. So what I'm going to do then is just choose the OK button there to close that window. And you can see, if we look up at the top of the licensing page, you can see license type is indeed temporary. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is go ahead and generate a host ID for this VideoEdge. And this is a file that is uploaded to the American Dynamics website that contains all of the information about this specific recorder. I'm going to do that by choosing the Generate Host ID button at the bottom here. And I'm going to choose to save that. And once it's downloaded, I need to copy it onto some removable media and move it over to a PC that has an internet connection. Okay, so on the PC with the internet connection then, I'm going to go ahead and navigate to americandynamics.net. And I'm going to choose the support menu and then register a product. And you will need to be logged into the American Dynamics website in order to carry out this procedure. Once I'm on the register a product page, I'm going to go ahead and choose VideoEdge. And then I can choose VideoEdge again from the product drop down here. And next. And before I can proceed, I need to agree to the data processing. So I'm going to choose the consent checkbox. And then we're going to be presented with the online software registration form. The first thing we need to do in this form then is choose our registration type. And I'm good with the first time registration. And then I'm going to choose the license version, which is going to be 4.6. And if we scroll down a little bit, the next thing we need to do is fill in the integrator information and the end user information. So there's two forms there. Once you have those completed, you can go ahead and move down to the software details section. And the first thing we need to do is choose the Choose File button and upload our host ID file that we've downloaded from our VideoEdge. And then I'm going to go ahead and enter the VideoEdge's serial number in this field here. The next thing we need to do in the email recipient section is enter the email address to which you would like your license sent to. Okay, with that complete then, I'm going to choose the Submit button. Once the license was submitted, we have received an email from American Dynamics. And you can see we have a license file attached to that, which I'm just going to save as. And again, I'm going to put it on some removable media so I can take it to my VideoEdge. In addition to the license file, we've also got a PDF document here which shows us some detailed licensing instructions. Okay, so moving back over to our VideoEdge then, we're now ready to apply our permanent license. And from the licensing page, all we need to do is, in the Apply License section, choose the Browse button and browse to that license file that was sent to us by email. Go ahead, choose Apply Permanent License, and you can see I've got a green message there that says License Successfully Installed. And if we look up at our license status, you can see it is now permanent.